Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the update on Dogelon Mars. After a massive rally, the price of Dogelon Mars is rejected by this long-term resistance of 5520.0000 and 006 times 05520 dollars. By the way, this is a quite long-term resistance that was previously working at the resistance here, and support here. And now you can see that despite this long spike, the price and could not break out this resistance, even could not break out this resistance of 4200 as well, and now it is retesting this previous very strong and long-term resistance zone as a support zone. By the way, this support zone starts from 2500 and goes to 2205. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share this previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for SCR, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 17th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Dogelon Mars. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that recently for several days or weeks, it had been moving inside this down channel. And after the breakout from this channel, first, we broke out this very long-term uptrend line resistance, and after that, for several days or weeks, the pricing has been struggling to break out this very long-term resistance zone that starts from 2205 and goes to 2500.0000 and 006 times 02500 dollar. And now, after the breaking it out, the pricing is retesting the previous resistance zone as a support zone. On the daily time frame chart, you can see that this candlestick is breaking it down. Right now, we are moving below this support, and so far, the candlestick is about to be not closed below this support. Therefore, we need to wait for the closing of the daily candlestick. In fact, this is a quite long-term support zone. Therefore, I would suggest you to wait for the weekly candlestick closing at this support or below this support. If it will be closed below this support level, then there will be a probability that we may again retest this very long-term uptrend line support once again. By the way, this is a very long-term uptrend line support that is coming from the month of June 2021. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and this was another bounce that was happening here in the month of August 2023. And here we had another bounce, and after the breakdown for several weeks, it was flipped into a resistance, and we got several ejections. And now, after the breakout, it is again flipped into a support. We had a bounce here, and if the price breaks down this support zone, then we may see another bounce from this uptrend line support. By the way, this time it can test this uptrend line support here, approximately at 1607. Now, if we take a look at the targets, you can see that we have already broken out this smaller down channel and the bigger falling wedge pattern as well. And we have already hit the target for the breakout from this channel that in so many my previous videos I've been telling you that was here at the top of the channel at 4200. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is at 22760.0000 and 05 times 02276 dollars. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.